Okay, Jeremy, this is our next step where we're going to get to, and I went ahead and put it in here first so you can see the goal. I've got the handlebars here, and they're down in, so they're nice and low. They're underneath the wheel. I'll show you how we get there. The fork is sitting over to the side here, up against this side, and the front triangle is sitting in here. Okay, and when you do this, it's a little bit of a jigsaw puzzle, and it doesn't look real smooth when you do it. But let me show you, as I take it out, you lift the wheel up, you've got the bars, the fork, and the rear triangle. This is just like before, okay? And what I do is just kind of lay the fork in the rear triangle, or excuse me, the front triangle in there. And to get the bars in there, it helps to find a space in the wheel and to put the wheel in where there's quite a bit of space between the spokes, as opposed to right where they cross. And that'll probably be pretty easy if you use your C24s because they have a nice wide spacing. This is a 32 spoke wheel, so it's a little tough to get in. But you put this drop portion of the bar down in below, and you start to hook the STI lever around the rim. And then you do the same here, except this doesn't have to go under the wheel because the wheel curves away from it. So you kind of put that down like this, put this down, and then push the wheel down. And now what you've got is the handlebars are sitting essentially on top of the wheel, but hooked around just a little bit, and so they're touching, the drops are touching the bottom of the case, right? And then your fork here is all padded up, and it's pushed up to the right side, and this front triangle here just lays in just like that, okay? Now, in real life, I'm not going to pack it like this to send it to you, because I'll have more room, but I would probably also, if you notice I've got this lever padded, I would probably also put some padding around this lever because it may hit the case a little bit. And I would also probably pad around the head tube here as part of this. Okay, you can even put some padding over the Ritchie stem, but I wanted you to see how it all looks, and if I padded it all up, you might not be able to tell where things were. So that's the next step, is getting it right here. All right.